Alright, so I'm going to be taking you guys along tonight with me to do a 4-hour Spark shift, I guess you can say. This is the delivery app for Walmart. So when you order something off of Walmart, the orders come through here. And we're just going to see how much I make. That way you have an idea on how much you can make about hourly. First things first, the city I live in is about a population about 400,000. And tonight is Sunday, which is one of the busiest days in my area. So the numbers may be inflated a little bit, and depending on your population size and where you're located at, the amount you will earn will be different. And we already got the first order right here, which is going to be $15 for about half a mile, and it has about 12 items in it. So it should only take me about 25 or 30 minutes. And so we're going to go in and shop for it real fast, and then we're going to go drop it off and see how it goes. All right, so this order was really easy. It was just a bunch of vegetables. So everything was pretty much in the same place. So I'm going to go ahead and bag this up, deliver it, and then I got to go get gas tonight. All right, so I just spent $30 on the gas tank, which is one of the hidden costs with driving for Spark. However, I did just get a $15 order here that I'm going to take. It's only 20 items, so it should only take about 30 minutes. And so this is going to bring our total to about $30 for the night so far. So the tank of gas does pay for itself, I guess. However, this is going to last me probably only about 2 days with the amount of driving that I do. Right, so this order took a little bit longer. So I'm going to go ahead and get this bagged up real fast. That way I can come back here in time for when the online orders drop. All right, so this is going to be the first order that we end up rejecting for the night. It is $13 for 3.3 miles. The reason I'm rejecting it is because it is a 4:55 pickup, and it's currently 4:44, so I would have to wait 10 minutes. And it is an online order, which means I would probably have to wait another 10 to 15 minutes before the employees bring it out. So the pay is just not worth the amount of time that I have to wait. So we ended up rejecting that one. Not even a minute later, I got this offer right here, $12 for 3 miles. Same situation. It's an online order for 4:55, so I would have to wait quite a while. And it is only $12, so it's just not worth it. There's going to be better offers out there tonight. I am going to take this order right here, $11. It is a low-paying order, but it's only 1 mile. And it's only 4 items as well. So this will be done within about 10 or 15 minutes. I'll have this done. So it's a super easy order. Low pay, like I said, but very quick money. I'm also going to be rejecting this one right here. It's $11 for less than a mile. However, it is 18 items. So this would take me about 30 minutes, and it's just not going to be worth it. There's going to be better offers out there that would surpass this. So it's 5:45 right now. The last order I dropped it off around 5 p.m. and it was that $11 order that I showed you. I haven't got anything sent to me since then. The online orders should drop here in a second, so I may end up taking one of those depending on if it's worth it or not. And this is one of the downsides about driving for Spark or really any of the gig apps is the downtime, because you're kind of just stuck sitting here in your car. I'm sitting outside of Walmart right now, and you're kind of just stuck sitting here in your car waiting, and there's nothing you could really do about it because you're pretty much at the mercy of when people place an order. So not even a minute later, I got this $17 order for 3.8 miles. It is a pickup at 5:55, which is still 10 minutes away. But since I haven't got an order in such a long time, I'm going to go ahead and take this one. And I'm going to do this, and I should be able to drop it off in about 25-30 minutes, depending on how long Walmart takes to bring it out to me. I just dropped off that other order, and I instantly got this timed offer right here for $13, 7 miles. So I am not going to take that order. Just wanted to let you guys know that I am rejecting this one. So we just got a big boy order right here, $59 for 1.3 miles. It is 75 items, so it will take quite a while to do, but we're gonna go ahead and do this one. And this is quite a rare order. So don't expect this every time you go online. I haven't got one of these in quite a while. I'm very blessed to get this order. All right, so this is what my basket looks like after that big delivery with the 75 items. This is probably going to be my last order of the night just because it's getting late. It is currently 7:30. So I said I was going to work till about 8. So see you guys again at the house with the end total for the night. All right, so I'm back here at the house. We're all done. And as you can see, we ended up with a total of about $118 today, which breaking that down for 4 hours would have been about $29 an hour. Now, most of that was carried by this order right here for $59. It was a big order. It did take me about 45 minutes to complete it. It may have been a little bit longer after everything said and done. It was probably closer to 45 to an hour, which is not bad. I mean, $59 an hour is nothing to scoff at. And then we do have this $15 order, which was when we first started. This one when I was getting gas, the $11 filler, the $17 when it was slow, and then the Big Daddy at the end. This is today's total right here. As you can see, the 73.22 is from Spark. 45.13 of it is from tips. So if everything goes through, which I think it will, most people in my area do not tip bait, so it shouldn't be an issue. And yeah, that's how much you can make. I did spend $30 on gas, as you guys saw towards the beginning of the video, which is, one of the costs. However, like I said, it's going to last me about 2 days, maybe 3 days, just because I put a little bit extra in there. I do have a Toyota Corolla, so it is pretty good on the gas mileage. Just something to keep in mind if you have a car that doesn't get so good of a gas mileage. You might want to invest in a car that will help you out in the long run. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you out on if you're on the fence with driving for Spark or any of the gig apps. I hope this really helped you out, and let me know in the comments if you like this video and if you want to see anything else like this, or if you have any other ideas, just let me know. Thank you.